This is Chef Pierre. Again, we are at the Skyline Delicacies. We are making our honey chicken wings. So with me, I have tomato soy sauce. Sorry, I have salt. These are the raw chicken wings. My chopping board, my knife. I have my onions, well cut, garlic, crushed. These are my dhanias. This is the leek onion, and I have garlic powder with me, garam masala. I have nutmeg, the honey. Then we have the black pepper. We have the tomato sauce, the normal one. Then we have the hot and sweet tomato sauce. We have the bowl where to dressing them and the oil, hot oil. So I'll start by marinating the chicken wings before I fry them first. So this is my soy sauce, a dash of soy sauce, maybe a spoon. I'll mix them well. Some salt, pinch of salt, put them aside. Then we have to add some garlic powder, a little of it. And let me this my hands. Then I add some little black pepper. Then have a garam masala, a little of it. Then we have nutmeg. Then I'm going to put back my spices here. Spice rack. Spices rack. Then I mix them well. Now I have to put them in the hot oil so that I can fry them, being the first stage. You can see how they're looking. They look nice. Then I'll put on my stove. Then I start frying one by one as I place them here under the serviette. So that's what we're going to do. Let's fry them fast and see how things will run.